Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am a Professor Nilesh Anandmani. Again, bring a new video related to the structure of heart. But right now we are going to discuss about internal structure of heart. We have discussed external structure of heart. We have discussed full in detail brief introduction to the heart. And now we are going to begin with the internal structure of heart. So let's begin with the internal structure of heart. मैं जो भी समझा रहा हूँ ध्यान से सुनिए और हो सके तो नोटबुक में पूरा मेंशन करते जाइए। हमारे पास है ह्यूमन स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ हार्ट। तो ये है हार्ट के 4 चेंबर, ठीक है। सो लेट्स बिगिन इन डिटेल। ह्यूमन हार्ट हैज अ 4 चेंबर। ह्यूमन हार्ट हैज अ 4 chamber. I have explained you everything in external structure of heart also, but if you are watching this internal structure first time, then this same one. Human heart has a 4 chamber. This is called right auricle. This is left auricle. This is right ventricle, and this one is left ventricle. Human heart has a 4 chamber, 2 auricle, 2 ventricle. This is right auricle, this one is left auricle, this is right ventricle, this one is left ventricle. Now, just see this very precisely and very clearly without any conception of a you can say doubt. कुछ भी doubt नहीं आएगा आपके माइंड में। सिर्फ मैं जो बोलते जा रहा हूँ उसे continuously साथ में सुनते चलिए और समझते चलिए, ठीक है। Human heart have a 4 chamber. Upper 2 are auricles, lower 2 are called ventricles. Both auricles are also known as atria, also known as atrium, and both ventricles are called ventricle only. Both auricles are also known as the superior chamber. Both auricles are also known as superior chambers. And both ventricles are also known as a inferior chambers. For your kind information, auricles are responsible for receiving blood. Right auricle receives CO2 plus Hb, means which blood? Impure blood from superior vena cava. ये देखिए हमारी बॉडी में in our body wherever impure blood is present, actually complete body have impure blood, complete body also have a pure blood. It depends when we are transporting pure and when we are collecting impure blood. So all the impure blood from the body is collected by 3 different veins, such as superior vena cava. Now this superior vena cava collect CO2 plus Hb and transfer to the right auricle. So it is collected by superior vena cava as well as inferior vena cava and coronary sinus. तो देखिए हमारी बॉडी में से पूरा का पूरा इम्प्योर ब्लड कहाँ पे आता है? राइट एट्रियम में। कैसे? वाया सुपेरियर वेना केवा एंड वाया इंफीरियर वेना केवा। अभी इंफीरियर वेना केवा यहाँ से नहीं आएगी, इंफीरियर वेना केवा हार्ट के पीछे से होके राइट एट्रियम में आएगी। So right auricle receives impure blood CO2 plus Hb via superior vena cava, second via inferior vena cava, and third via coronary sinus. All these carry CO2 plus Hb to right auricle. Are you guys getting? So right auricle receives the impure blood from all over the body parts via superior vena cava, as you can see this, via inferior vena cava, this also comes here, and coronary sinus, this also goes there. So ये देखिए आपके सामने ये है coronary sinus. So superior vena cava, कोरोनरी साइनस एंड इंफीरियर वेना केवा, ये तीनों के तीनों इम्प्योर ब्लड कहाँ पे लेके जाते हैं? राइट एट्रियम में। और राइट एट्रियम में ब्लड राइट एट्रियम से कहाँ जाता है? राइट वेंट्रिकल के थ्रू। सो इम्प्योर ब्लड फ्रॉम राइट ऑरिकल गो टू द right ventricle. Impure blood from right atrium go to the right ventricle. Now how blood go from right auricle to right ventricle? So in a external structure of heart I taught you, अगर आपने नहीं देखा तो फिर से देख लीजिए. External structure of heart में मैंने आपको कहा था right auricle and right ventricles are connected by arterioventricular groove, arterioventricular septum, arterioventricular aperture or coronary sulcus. So impure blood from right auricle go to the right ventricle by arterioventricular septum, arterioventricular groove, arterioventricular aperture or coronary sulcus. Now blood is moving from right auricle to right ventricle. This blood should not return back. This blood should not return back. Therefore there is a one valve is present. This is called tricuspid valve. This is called tricuspid valve. Why? Because it is made by 3 wall layer. This is made by 3 layers, like layer number 1, layer number 2, layer number 3. Therefore it is a tricuspid valve. It is called tricuspid valve. फिर से एक बार समझ लीजिए. Right auricle receives the impure blood from all over the body parts via superior vena cava, via inferior vena cava and via coronary sulcus and comes into the right auricle. From right auricle, impure blood go to the right ventricle. Impure blood go to the right ventricle. This blood should not reverse back. Therefore, there is a tricuspid valve is present. Tricuspid valve is present, whose main function is to prevent the back flows of blood. Yes, and blood moves from right auricle to right ventricle via right arterioventricular aperture, arterioventricular groove, coronary sulcus or arterioventricular septum. So now right ventricle have a blood such as CO2 plus Hb. Impure blood right ventricle में अब ये देखिए. Now right ventricle pump the impure blood and go to the pulmonary trunk. Go to the pulmonary trunk, and from the pulmonary trunk it goes to the pulmonary artery, and from pulmonary artery this goes inside the lungs. Yes, this goes inside the lungs, and in the lungs alveoli remove the CO2 out and bind with the O2 plus Hb and turn into which blood? Turn into pure blood. अब हम pure blood के बारे में बात करेंगे. So now pure blood is brought by the pulmonary vein. मैंने आपको external structure में भी ये समझाया था. Pulmonary artery is only the artery in our body which carry impure blood from pulmonary trunk to the lungs. तो pulmonary trunk कहाँ से blood receive करता है? Right ventricle का blood pulmonary trunk में जाता है और pulmonary trunk में से blood कहाँ जाता है? Lungs में. फिर से एक बार समझ लीजिए. Right auricle receives impure blood via superior vena cava, via inferior vena cava and via coronary sinus, and then blood go from right auricle to the right ventricle. Now blood from right ventricle go to the pulmonary trunk and then pulmonary artery carry this to the lungs. Now after getting purification, means oxygen plus hemoglobin, this pure blood is brought by the pulmonary vein. Only the single vein in our body which carry pure blood, and pulmonary vein put the blood into the left atrium. So now left atrium receives the pure blood from lungs via pulmonary vein. Yes, so left atrium receives the pure blood from lungs via pulmonary vein, and then this left ventricle transfer the pure blood to the left auricle. O2 plus Hb means pure blood. Left atrium transfer the pure blood to the left ventricle via again same arterioventricular septum, arterioventricular groove, arterioventricular aperture or coronary sulcus. Now blood moving from left atrium to the left ventricle, it can also be reversed back. So it should not reverse back. Therefore there is a mitral valve is present. It is also called, here it is see, tricuspid valve. Here it is bicuspid valve. It is bicuspid valve. Bicuspid valve. It is tricuspid. It is bicuspid. यहाँ पे 3 वॉल से 3 लेयर से एक वॉल बना, इसके लिए हम इसे कहते हैं ट्राइकुस्पिड वाल्व. यहाँ पे 2 लेयर से वॉल बना, इसके लिए हम इसे बाइकुस्पिड वाल्व कहते हैं, और इसी को ही हम क्या कहते हैं? इसी को ही हम मिट्रल वाल्व भी कहते हैं. तो ये देखिए, राइट ऑरिकल ट्रांसफर ब्लड टू द राइट वेंट्रिकल, बैक फ्लो इज प्रिवेंटेड बाय ट्राइकुस्पिड वाल्व मेड बाय 3 लेयर left auricle transfer pure blood to the left ventricle, backflow is prevented by bicuspid valve because it is made by double layer, also known as a mitral valve. तो ये आप हमेशा याद रखो कि राइट साइड में ट्राइकुस्पिड वाल्व होता है और लेफ्ट साइड में बाइकुस्पिड वाल्व होता है, जिसे हम मिट्रल वाल्व भी कहते हैं. तो अब ये एक सीन समझ लीजिए आप. ये देखिए, right auricle receives impure blood from superior vena cava, inferior vena cava and coronary sinus and transferred to the right ventricle. Transferred to the right ventricle via arterioventricular aperture, arterioventricular groove, arterioventricular septum or coronary sinus, and backflow is prevented by bicuspid valve. Is it? No, backflow is prevented by tricuspid valve at the right side. Yes. Now right ventricle have a right ventricle have impure blood. Is it clear? Right ventricle pump and go to the pulmonary trunk, and from pulmonary trunk pulmonary artery carry blood to the lungs, and after getting purified this blood will be carried by pulmonary vein and come to the left atrium, and then from left atrium it will go to the left ventricle. Backflow will be prevented by bicuspid valve, also known as a mitral valve. तो ये होता है internal structure of heart. ये होता है internal structure of heart. एक बार फिर से मैं आपको यहाँ पर समझाता हूँ. See, we have a 4-chamber of heart. We have a 4-chamber of heart. Right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle. Is it clear? Okay. So now right auricle receives CO2 plus Hb, means impure blood from superior vena cava, from actually ये अगर पीछे से जाएगी ऐसी, so from inferior vena cava and then coronary sinus. Right auricle receives, मैंने आपको पूरा समझाई दिया, इसके लिए मैं आपको शॉर्ट में समझा रहा हूँ अभी. Right auricle receives impure blood from superior vena cava, inferior vena cava and coronary sinus, and transfer this impure blood to the right ventricle via arterioventricular aperture, via arterioventricular groove, via arterioventricular septum or via coronary sulcus. Yes, ये coronary sinus है, ये coronary sulcus है, याद रखिए. Right auricle transfer impure blood to the right ventricle via arterioventricular septum, arterioventricular groove, arterioventricular aperture or arterioventricular septum or coronary sulcus. And from right ventricle blood go to the pulmonary trunk, and from pulmonary artery carry this to the lungs. And after getting purified, this blood come to the left atrium via pulmonary vein, and then go to the left ventricle, O2 plus Hb, and now blood go to the left atrium by same arterioventricular aperture, arterioventricular groove, arterioventricular septum or coronary sulcus. And now pure blood is present in the left ventricle, it will pump, and after pumping it will go to the aorta, and from the aorta it will distribute it to the body tissues. Yes, so it will distribute it to the body tissue. Backflow of blood at the right side, it will be prevented by tricuspid valve made by the 3-layer, and backflow of blood at the left side, it will be prevented by the tricuspid valve, also known as a नहीं. यही तो मैं जानबूझ के आपके सामने बोल रहा हूँ ताकि आपके माइंड में क्वेश्चन आए डायरेक्टली. लेफ्ट साइड, मेरा लेफ्ट और आपका राइट थोड़ा उल्टा हो सकता है. आप देख रहे हो मोबाइल पे और मैं उल्टा खड़ा हूँ. ये देखिए, मेरा ये राइट है. So right side there is a tricuspid valve. Right auricle transfer impure blood to the right ventricle, backflow prevented by tricuspid valve, 3-layer. Yes. And left auricle to left ventricle, pure blood go, backflow is prevented by bicuspid valve made by 2-layer, also known as a mitral valve. Clear? हमारे हार्ट के वेंट्रिकल में कार्डियक टेंडेनी होते हैं. कार्डियक टेंडेनी, इनका भी काम है कि बैक फ्लो ब्लड को प्रिवेंट करना. अब एक चीज समझ लीजिए, ये देखिए, both ventricle, right ventricle have a impure blood, left ventricle have a pure blood. Right ventricle have impure blood, left ventricle have pure blood. Both ventricle pump at a one time. Right ventricle pump 35 ml, left ventricle pump 35 ml. Total 70 ml blood is pumped. Right ventricle pump blood to the pulmonary trunk and carried by pulmonary artery to the lungs, and left ventricle pump blood to the aorta and transfer to the body tissue. And from body tissue it will go to the body tissue, means from the heart it will go to the body tissue. Now this in the body tissue impure blood will be collected. This will be collected by inferior vena cava, superior vena cava, coronal sinus. It will come to the right auricle and go to the right ventricle. Backflow will be prevented by tricuspid valve, and from right ventricle blood again go to the lungs, and after getting purified it will come to the pulmonary vein, come to the left auricle, left ventricle. Backflow will be prevented by bicuspid valve, also known as mitral valve, again go to the heart, again go to the body tissue. ऐसा ही हमारी बॉडी में जब तक हम है, हमारी जान है, जब तक हम है, हमारी लाइफ है, तब तक ब्लड ऐसा ही 24 आवर 7 डे कंप्लीट ईयर 365 डेज ऐसा ही लाइफ टाइम घूमते रहता है ब्लड. This is internal structure of heart explained by myself. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you truly like this video and understood and wanted to see many videos regarding this one, then please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much. Have a good day.